My video, and today I'm going to show you how to get the fluxus executor executor key. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's this app. It helps you with Roblox. You just need to get some scripts. You can auto farm in games. You can get like free rewards in games like that. It's meant for Roblox, and you can grind some grindy games like Blocks Fruits, King Legacy, Pet Simulator. You can grind them overnight, and it will be easy for you. I personally use it like night only, like for Blocks Route only. I don't use it for other games. So without further ado, let's get right into the video after we roll the intro. Alright guys, so for you to get the key, you need to join one game. You can join whichever game you want. I'll join Pet Simulator. You can join whichever game you want, like any games. After you join the game, it will show like this get key, check key. You need to click on get key, and it will say the key link was copied, and you need to open the browser. To minimize it, you need to use like this. If you don't want this big thing, just click over here. You will do like that. So after this, we can get key. Go to the browser. So you need to open the Chrome browser. You can open Google, but I will recommend Chrome. So after you go on Chrome, you just have to paste the link that you copied from there, and it will show like this, and just click on that box. It will show ad, cut that, then click on box again, and it will tell you to choose some of these. Verify. Wait. Yes, it will show like this, and it will open the link for site.com page where you can get the executor plus link, plus scripts like this. Oho Hub, Roblox, script based free Roblox, like that stuff. You just need to do that like this. It will tell you to download some apps and discover articles. First you need to download the app. It will do like this. You just have to wait like this. I already downloaded, so I don't think this will work for now. Wait, I need to check what was there. Alibaba, add Alibaba. Okay, so I need to do like this, delete this. Okay, I'll meet guys. So for you to get the script key, you need to do one thing. Meet you when I complete the task. Okay, so I completed that task. So you need to click on continue website, continue to the website, and it will take you over here again. You don't need to do that human thing again, verification thing. You just have to wait. So let's wait. Then it will open the link website.com again. You have to do the same process again. Just click on free access. It will tell you free access with ads first, so make sure to do that. Then you can see you have completed 2 link per site. You have 1 more left, so I have to do that 1 more time, then I can get the key. You just have to wait. So as you can see now, just click on free access. I will now we just have to wait. And as you can see, there is your key. You need to click on copy key. As you can see, I copied the key. Now when you go to the game, it will show like this. So now when you join the game, you will see like a big thing. I'll show you. Wait, internet is a bit slow, sorry guys. Okay, after this you can open the game you want. Like if you want the script on Pet Simulator X, you can open the game. If you want scripts on Blox Fruit, you can open the Blox Fruit. Just open the game you want script. You have the script up. So I will give you the link of the where you can get the script. Okay, I'll give you the link where you can get the script of the game. So I'll just wait a bit to load the game. Okay, so as you can see now, you just have to click here and it will show like this. You can click on 3 dot code and this is another one. You just have to do this. After you do that, you just have to wait guys, this is the wrong one as well. Now it will lag a bit and you just have to wait, nothing else. So let's wait. As you can see now, there is this. You can close it like this, and as you can see like this, you can go on farm. You can farm, like you can select area and where you want to farm. So like that, you can hatch eggs, which egg you want. You can make dark matter, rainbow pets like From here you can go to trading plaza. You can do the server hub thing. So that was it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, make sure to like and subscribe the video. It helps out a lot. So see you guys in the next video, and the next video will be how to get the key from the script. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.